Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A very good day to everyone. So today we'll be presenting about a comparison of motive for physical activity participation between gender among FSR students at UiTM Perlis. So here's the group members. First of all, I will start with me. So my name is Muhammad Mahikal bin Rashid, and the second one is Afiq Daniel bin Muhammad. The third one is Fadil Amir bin Abdul Rahim. The third one is Daniel Hakim bin Abdul Rahim. And lastly, Muhammad Ammar Farhan bin Abdul. So here's the outline for our research. So the first one is research objective and research hypothesis. The second one is data management and procedure. The third one is the questionnaire that we use, that is motive for physical activities measure revise, that is MPAR. And number 4 is data analysis and interpretation. And lastly, conclusion. So for the objective, RO1 is to identify the motivational factors for physical activity participation between the male and female FSR students at UiTM Perlis. For the RO2, to compare the difference in motivation factors for physical activity participation between male and female FSR students at UiTM Perlis. Now is the hypothesis. For the HO, there is no significant difference in motivation factors, that is enjoyment, competence, appearance, fitness, and social, for physical activity participation between male and female FSR students at UiTM Perlis. And for the HA, there is a significant difference in motivation factors, enjoyment, competence, appearance, fitness, and social, for physical activity participation between male and female among FSR students at UiTM Perlis.
Okay, next is I will explain about the data management and the procedure. To ensure the data has been transferred from hard copy to Excel and to SPSS version 30. And I also ensure the data that have been collected not have any error or missing, and I will check the outlier. After I check and everything is perfect, I will check the normality test data by using Kolmogorov-Smirnov test, because our sample had more than 50, and after that we detect our data is normal distribute because our significance is higher than alpha. And lastly, we proceed to use the independent t-test. And for the next is the scoring information. So we take only 5, which is interest or enjoyment, competence, appearance, fitness, and social.
So in my part, I present about the analyze the descriptive statistic in data analysis and interpretation. In data analysis and interpretation, in this descriptive statistic, which is demographic data, the first step is click analyze, descriptive statistic, and also frequencies. The second step is insert all the demographic data, which are age, gender, and level of education. Put all in the variable box. Step 3, click chart and tick the bar chart and also frequencies, and click continue, and lastly click OK. Lastly, in step 4, for reporting, convert this table in APA 7 edition format, and in writing report our result, we use bar chart to give better understanding. The second data analysis and interpretation in descriptive statistic is descriptive analysis. For step 1, click Analyze, Descriptive Statistic, and Descriptive. The second step is insert the enjoyment, competence, appearance, fitness, and social to the variable box. In step 3, click Option and tick Mean, Standard Deviation, and Variable List. Lastly, click Continue and OK button. Lastly, which is the step 4, from this output, convert this table into APA 7 edition format into the report writing.
Okay, next for the inferential statistic. It has 4 steps that can I analyze here. First of all, I will start with the step 1. For the step 1, click Analyze and find the compare means, and then click Independent Sample t-test. For the second step, I put a few components in the variable box, which is I put enjoyment, competence, appearance, fitness, and social in test variable box, and put gender in grouping variable box. Okay, for the step 3, I define into 2 groups, which is group 1 is for male and group 2 is for female, and click Continue, and lastly click OK. For the last step, I convert SPSS output into APA 7 edition format into report writing. And lastly, this is the independent sample t-test.
This is the result of independent t-test conducted to all 5 variables, which are enjoyment, competence, appearance, fitness, and social. Indicates that on the enjoyment factor is not significantly differences between male and female among FSR students at UiTM Police in their motive in participating in physical activity. So for conclusion, there is no significant difference in motivation in enjoyment factor for physical activity participation between male and female FSR students at UiTM Police. It is because the p-value is greater than 0.05, indicating